Yep. Mites 2 Hounds, game 3 in the tournament, November 28th. Nice job, Aaron. Nice save, Carmine. Go, 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 go. Nice pass. Go. Go. Oh. Oh, oh, there we go. Uh-oh. There we go. Go, 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 go. Oh. Come on, guys. Dump it out. Nice job, Carmine. Oh, no. Good save, Carmine. Good Lord. Oh, no. Get it out of here. Pass it up. There we go. My God, we're having problems with the puck. Wrap it around hard. There we go.
Pick it up.
Go. Oh. Okay, get it out. Go 12, go 12. Go, go. Turn around. No, good save, Carmine. My God. Luckily, Carmine's having a great game. Go, go. Skate, skate, buddy, skate. Come on. Go. Whoa.
Good job. Way to go.
Go. Go, 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 go. Oh, go, 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 go. Oh, no. Nice job, Carmine. Way to go, Carmine. Carmine's played a great game, didn't he? Okay, 9 minutes, 34 seconds left. We got the little power line out there. Other side, Aiden! Let's go, Aiden. There we go. Way to win it, Aiden. Way to pass it back, buddy. Go, Aiden! Get that kid out of there, Aiden. Other side, Aiden. There we go. Let's go, Justin. Let's go, Aiden. There we go, Aiden. Aiden's winning all kinds of face-offs. There we go. Up. Oh, good pass to Louie. Good job, Aiden. Go, Aiden. Oh, pass it up, guys. Aiden back.
Go, go. That's the way. Catch him, Aiden.
Aiden, break out. Break out, Aiden. Uh-oh. There we go.
Aiden, come on, let's go. Go, Aiden, get the puck.
Chase him, Aiden. Chase him, Aiden. Yep. There we go. Offsides. Oh, there you go, buddy. Nice. Oh, stick with it. Oh, nice job.
Pick it up, 12.
Go, go, go. Oh, man. Go, go, go.
Go, go, go. Over.
Hustle, 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 hustle.
Get into the wall. Come on, don't back off of it. Get after it.
Go, go, Aaron.
Go. Good job.
Good job. Go. Oh. Let's go, Aaron. Other side, Aiden. Aiden's still sleeping, I think. Go hard, Aiden. He's smart to put his stick on the opposite side all the time. Look at that. On the face off. Good. Go, 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 go. Go, Aiden. All right, Aiden's got to work on those boards. Go, Aiden. Go, Aiden. Body, body, Aiden. Oh, shit. Oops. Oops. Aiden. Oops. Oops. Aiden, don't check people. Just lean into them. Hold on. There you go. Go ahead and keep on it. Oh, shit. Yes, it was a good check. Go, Aiden.
Go, go.
Get on it, Aiden. Aiden, go. Cut him off. Cut him off.
Get after it, Aiden. That's it.
There we go. Dump it in. Go in front of the net, Aiden.
Oh, no.
Aiden in front of the net.
There you go. Use your feet, kid.
Uh-oh. Aiden, hang back. Hang back, Aiden. Don't get too deep, Aiden. There we go. Turn. Turn and go. Turn and go. Turn and go. Go, Aiden.
All right,
Go,
let's
Louie.
go.
Oh, so close. Oh, good job, Carmine. Break out, Aiden. Go. Uh-oh. Good job. Too long the shifts. Get it up. Go, Aiden.
Go, Aiden. Skate.
Skate, Aiden.
Aiden, go, go.
You can beat him, Aiden. Go it up, bud. Oh, that kid's going to not understand. Oh, there it is. Aiden, stay back here. Well, you're going to be afraid of it. That was... Yeah. Well, I told Aiden to play physical, but I'm not sure. Yeah, it is. Come on, guys. Oh, my God. Great job, Carmine. Go. Go. Good job. On him. Nice. Offside. Whoa. Good job, guys. Go, Hans. Oh. Dump it. There we go.
Go, go, baby, go.
Oh.
That's the way.
Go back, go back. Good job, Kyle. Go right there, shoot it. Oh my God. Nice save. Good job, Kyle. That was a great save.
Yeah, he lifted that unit.
Yep. Let's go, Aiden. Skate hard. Justin, it's coming to you. Hey, Justin, get ready. Oh, well, shit, he wasn't even ready. Go get it, Aiden. Uh-oh. Chase it, Aiden, chase it. There we go. Right there, Aiden, behind you. Behind you. Right. Oh, Aiden. Go. Aiden, get in front of the net. Aiden, in front of the net. Oh, shit, out. Oh, no, we got to get out.
They're already
Look,
out.
look.
Take it all the way
Oh,
back.
come on.
Come on, 5 moves. Get it around, baby.
Turn, Aiden, you're going too deep, buddy. You got to stay up here higher. There we go. There we go. Go, Aiden. Turn and go. Get out. Get behind him. Go, Aiden. Skate, Aiden. No. Nice job, Carmine. Nice save, Carmine. How are you? Coming up here to the yelling nest, huh? Hey, I'm sending Aiden with you guys. I told Jim. We're going to jump out of here. Ah! It's a car full. My kids don't use car seats, so you're good. They lay down like luggage. Yeah. Go, go, go. Oh, no. Guys, you got to wrap that around the boards. Good try, Carmine. 1-0. 2 minutes, 10 seconds left of the first period. That was in the first 3 minutes. Let's go, Hounds! Go, go, go.
That's the way to the side. Good job.
Uh-oh. Nice job. Nice job. Right there. Oh, cut him off. Good job. Well, come on. Skate. Nice job, Kyle. Nice. Oh, 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 yikes. Okay.
Spin it up. Spin it up.
Oh, there we go. Oh. There we go. Boards. There we go. Nice. Turn and go. Turn and go. Kyle, stay in front of the net. There you go. Where's our defense? Oh, there we go. Shoot it in.
Good job.
Oh. Come on, Aiden. Let's win another face-off, buddy. Nice job, eh? Go, Aiden. Let's go, Aiden. Carmine, go to the front of the net. Uh-oh, where's our defense? Uh-oh. Hurry up, Aiden, cut it off. Cut it off, Aiden. Nope. Good Lord. Harmony. Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. No. Nice job, Carmine. Oh, Lord help me. Get it out of there. 1-0 into the first period. Aiden is checking everybody.